Good day. So today is my 5th day in Paris. Just before I leave the hotel, I want to check out the rooftop. Oh, there's a market there. Look. Very cute. I mean, it's cute, but there isn't that much to see, honestly. Let me see the other side. Why is there smoke there? I hope you're doing good. I have some cool stuff planned for today too. Look, there's a market right outside the hotel. Look at this guy. Le métro, le métro. Today I am taking number 6. I'm going there. Number 2. I am going there. Père Lachaise. This is what we are going to see. Cimetière du Père Lachaise. I think it's literally like just right there. Right, there's an entrance there. Alright, so this morning we are visiting this cemetery. And currently it is just 10 a.m. I am here. Guillaume Apollinaire, Honoré de Balzac, Maria Callas, Gustave Caillebotte, Jean-François Champollion, Frédéric Chopin, Alphonse Daudet, Eugène Delacroix, Pierre Desproges, Félix Faure, Jean de La Fontaine, Molière, Yves Montand, Jim Morrison, Edith Piaf, Camille Pissarro, Marcel Proust, Simone Signoret, Oscar Wilde. Honestly, I don't really know where to start, so I'm just going to walk in as many of the alleys as possible and just try to see as many as possible. Like what I said on the first day when I was walking in the cemetery of Montparnasse. It's just really nice and pleasant to walk in a cemetery. So, you know, I'm just going to walk, and if I don't see all the famous people, it's like not the end of the world. That is the main door. So that's the main door seen from outside. Gioacchino Rossini, family Haussmann. So this is a monument to the dead. So this is Félix Faure. He is a former French president. Oh, I think that's a crematorium, no? Okay, so I'm personally a big fan of nature taking over, like this, you know? But I know that some people like it when the tombs are really like super clean and everything. Michel Delpech. One thing I forgot to mention too is that my mom told me that there was either my great-grandmother or great-great-grandmother. So she thinks this one was a painter. I had forgotten about this, so that's someone we have to find. And it's not a famous person, so I have no clue where that can be. Some of those you can't really see the name right there. The chances of me finding it are just really slim, you know. Daniel Toscan du Plantier, Gilbert Bécaud. We are approaching Molière and La Fontaine, which are probably the coolest people in this cemetery. La Fontaine, Molière. A better view from up there. Look how cool this one looks. Okay, so meanwhile, I'm having a discussion on WhatsApp with my mom and my aunt. They are both sure that this person is buried in Paris, but then my mom just told me that she's not sure that it's in this cemetery. So like, it's even possible that this person is not there. There's something called Tombe du Dragon. It's a tomb of the dragon. Oh, Oh, that was a baby. 2001, 2009. Oh, that's why we put all the little like toys and such. So I couldn't find the dragon. By the way, it is now noon, so I've been there for 2 hours already, and I have barely explored anything. Wow, how slow am I? Mano Solo. It's funny that his first name is Vivant. It means alive in French. Frédéric Chopin. I want to find Jim Morrison. Alors ma chung. Aha. Champollion. Champollion le jeune. That there. So there you go. But we have. It's basically surrounded by barriers, I guess, for issues. James Douglas Morrison, 1948-1971. So yeah, it's all locked around him. I guess we were like fans a bit too. Having a little snack because it's nearly 1 p.m. I just like talking to crows, and it has more charm when you're in a cemetery, I guess. So I've basically walked, so I entered there, I've walked there, I don't know, like, yeah, there a little bit, there, and that's it. There's all this I haven't seen. Very beautiful, this one. Edith Piaf. Just beautiful. Gertrude Stein. The people have put little rocks there all around. Very beautiful. Oscar Wilde. Marcel Proust. Marc Bott. Apollinaire. So we have Gaspard Ulliel, Simone Signoret and Yves Montand. Oh, very nice. So I thought that it would take me 2 hours, like they said on the website, so from 10 to noon, but I answered at 10 and it is now 3 p.m. and I have my train at 5 p.m. So I'm just going to walk to the metro station and take the metro to the train station in Montparnasse. Alright, goodbye, nice cemetery. Le métro! Père Lachaise. I'm going there. Père Lachaise. So I am going to Montparnasse.
TGV Inouï 8067, où Alexandre, notre conducteur, marquera les arrêts en gare du Mans, Laval, puis Rennes, notre terminus. Aujourd'hui, vos baristas vous attendent en voiture. voitures 4 et 14 en milieu de rame afin de vous proposer une offre de restauration à réserver en ligne sur le portail TGV Inouï en scannant le QR code qui se trouve sur votre tablette ou tout simplement en vous rendant sur place voiture 4 et 14.